Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you 3 stocks that I believe could make you a millionaire if you invest in them now. These aren't your typical blue chip stocks, these are high growth, disruptive companies that are positioned to dominate their industries in the years and decades to come. I'll go through each of these 3 stocks in detail, explaining what they do, why I'm so bullish on them, and why I think now is the perfect time to buy. By the end of this video, I hope I'll have convinced you to seriously consider adding these 3 stocks to your portfolio. Stock number 1, Biotech Disruptor. The first stock I want to tell you about is a cutting-edge biotech company that I believe is on the cusp of revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry. The company is called Biotech Disruptor, and they're developing a groundbreaking new drug delivery system that could make many of today's treatments more effective, with fewer side effects. Biotech Disruptor's technology involves encapsulating drug molecules in tiny nanoparticles that are designed to specifically target diseased cells, while leaving healthy cells unaffected. This targeted approach means the drugs can be delivered at much lower doses, reducing harmful side effects. It's a game-changing innovation that I think has massive potential. The company is currently in late-stage clinical trials for its lead drug candidate, which is targeting a form of aggressive cancer. The results so far have been extremely promising, with the drug showing significantly improved efficacy compared to the standard of care, along with a very clean safety profile. If the Phase 3 trial is successful, and I fully expect it will be, this drug could secure FDA approval within the next 12-18 months. But that's just the start. Biotech Disruptor has a deep pipeline of other drug candidates in development, all utilizing their innovative nanoparticle delivery system. They're targeting everything from neurological disorders to autoimmune diseases, and I believe each one of these programs has blockbuster potential. The company is also exploring ways to license out its delivery technology to other pharmaceutical firms, which could provide a lucrative revenue stream and further validate the power of their platform. With a market cap of just $2 billion right now, I think Biotech Disruptor is massively undervalued given the enormous opportunity in front of it. If even 1 or 2 of its drug candidates are successful, this stock could easily be a 10-bagger or more in the next 5 years. That's the kind of wealth-creating potential that could turn a relatively small investment today into life-changing gains down the road. Stock number 2, Electric Vehicle Innovator. The second stock on my list is an electric vehicle company that I believe is poised to dominate the EV market in the years ahead. The company is called Electric Vehicle Innovator, and they've developed a truly revolutionary electric drivetrain that outperforms anything else on the market in terms of range, efficiency, and affordability. What sets Electric Vehicle Innovator apart is their proprietary battery technology. They've managed to significantly increase energy density while driving down manufacturing costs, allowing them to produce EVs that can travel 400 miles or more on a single charge, all at a price point that's competitive with traditional gas-powered cars. This technology breakthrough has already allowed the company to launch a highly successful line of consumer EVs that are winning rave reviews from customers and critics alike. But where I really see the company's long-term potential is in the commercial and industrial vehicle markets. Electric Vehicle Innovator is currently developing heavy-duty electric trucks, buses, and even construction equipment that will be able to match or exceed the performance of their diesel-powered counterparts. This is a massively underserved market right now, and I believe Electric Vehicle Innovator is perfectly positioned to become the dominant player as the world transitions towards more sustainable transportation solutions. The company also has ambitious plans to roll out a nationwide network of fast charging stations, which will further accelerate EV adoption by addressing one of the key pain points that's been holding it back. I see this charging infrastructure business as a potentially massive revenue stream in its own right. With a market cap of just $15 billion, Electric Vehicle Innovator is still a relatively small player in the grand scheme of the auto industry. But I fully expect that to change in the coming years as their technology continues to gain market share and their production capacity ramps up. This is a stock that I believe could easily be worth 5 or 10 times its current value within the next 5-7 years, making it an incredible wealth-building opportunity for early investors. Stock number 3, Fintech Disruptor. The third and final stock on my list is a financial technology company that I think is poised to completely disrupt the traditional banking and payments industries. The company is called Fintech Disruptor, and they've developed a groundbreaking digital banking platform that's changing the way people and businesses manage their money. What makes Fintech Disruptor so innovative is their focus on creating a truly seamless, mobile-first banking experience. Their app allows users to do everything from managing their checking and savings accounts, to making payments, to investing in stocks and crypto, all from the palm of their hand. And they've done it in a way that's far more intuitive and user-friendly than anything the legacy banks have to offer. But the real genius of Fintech Disruptor's model is their ability to leverage technology to dramatically reduce the costs associated with traditional banking. By automating many of the back-office functions and eliminating the need for physical branch networks, they're able to offer their services at a fraction of the cost of the big banks. And they pass those savings on to their customers in the form of higher interest rates, lower fees, and more affordable lending products. This combination of a superior user experience and a highly efficient cost structure has allowed Fintech Disruptor to rapidly acquire millions of customers, many of whom are ditching their old banks in favor of this new digital-first alternative. And the company is just getting started. They have ambitious plans to expand their product offerings and geographic reach in the coming years. With a current market cap of around $30 billion, Fintech Disruptor is still a relatively small player in the massive financial services industry. But I believe this is a stock that could be worth 5, 10, or even 20 times its current value as the company continues to disrupt and dominate the banking landscape. It's the kind of high-growth, transformative business that has the potential to create life-changing wealth for early investors. So there you have it, the 3 stocks that I believe could make you a millionaire if you invest in them now. Biotech Disruptor, Electric Vehicle Innovator, and Fintech Disruptor are all pioneering game-changing technologies in their respective industries, and I think each one of them has the potential for massive upside in the years ahead. Of course, no investment is without risk, and I always recommend doing your own thorough research before putting any money to work. But based on my analysis, I truly believe these 3 stocks offer an incredible opportunity for long-term wealth creation. If you have the time and risk tolerance to hold these stocks for 5-10 years or more, I think you could see truly life-changing returns. Even a relatively modest investment of $10,000 or $20,000 in each of these companies could potentially grow into a multi-million-dollar portfolio over time. So what are you waiting for? Start researching these 3 stocks today, and consider adding them to your portfolio as soon as possible. The earlier you get on board, the better your chances of becoming a millionaire thanks to these incredible wealth-building opportunities.